Oh my gosh, this is great.
Whoa, man. I don't know you like that. Can I get out? I'm gonna rip this down if you don't let me out.
Matthew, smile. Get down, crouch down with the chicken. Smile. Matthew.
Chickens get smart.
Oh!
Y'all get out of here.
The chicken tried to mate with you. He's so.
What's your problem?
This chicken's so dumb.
What's happening?
Hold on! Stay in there just for a minute.
No.
Yes, stay.
Yeah, chicken. Oh God. I hate you. I was a chicken way too long. One tried to mate with me.
Yeah, Mom, watch the red one.
One tried to mate with me.
Did it? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the red one tried to make baby.
And then I got smart and I opened it up.
The red one tried to get on the walkway and he just fell.
Oh, that is funny.
Chicken's stupid.
Make it put its head in.
What?
Ouch, that's my finger. It doesn't really
Wait,
hurt.
that red one is in there.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a red one in there.
Ow.
It's open.
No.
You like sticks?
Oh. You don't like sticks. You like mulberries.
More mulberries.
Yes.
Well, you guys better get some pet chickens now.
Yes.
Oh, my first chicken! I like